Okay, let me go through everything, right? So basically, the first thing of this table is the date. Date means the date when I posted this signal, this trade, this potential trade, or when I modified it for the last time. Because for some of them, when, for example, first target is hit, I will modify them, right? I will change the screenshot so you can see what happens, and so on, right? And so this is the date. Then we have the pair. So the pair that we are using to take this trade, right? In this case, this first one is Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar. Then we have time frame. Time frame, in this case, it's H4, 4 hour. This means 4 hour time frame, right?
And of course, the time frame will vary. They could go
well,
anything.
It will vary because
weekly.
Yeah, for sure. So I will be posting trades from 5 minutes up to monthly, right? Because I'm taking all of them anyway, right? Just it's hard to post something for 1 minute simply because it happens really fast over there, right? And while I have to post it, it will be over, you know, I will be collecting my profit. So it's a bit tricky. That's why from 5 minutes up to monthly. Then we have direction, which means sell or buy trade. So in this case, the first one is sell. You see, it will be colored red, and sell. Then we have entry price, so exact entry price that you should place your entry on. Then we have stop loss, where you should set your stop loss exactly, right? No thinking, should I put it over here or over there? No, it's fixed, so don't worry, it's really easy. Then we have TP1, means take profit 1, right? Just a second to move this over here. Then we have, so this will be the price for the first take profit target, the possible one, right? Then we have TP2, which means the second take profit target. Again, it's a bit more aggressive because we're aiming for bigger profits, but again, it's better to have this, right? Because sometimes market explodes and we collect more profits. And then we have this chart over here. So what is this? It will show you the actual chart of the trade. So you see, you have stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. In this case, for this trade, it's like this because the first take profit target was being hit. So I closed half of the position over here and moved the stop loss to break even for the rest of it. And so now I already have a winner and I can't lose anything. You see, it's really nice and easy. I really like such trades.
That's an update of a trade that you'd already taken then. For those who have taken
it's a date because, and moreover, over here, we have comments, right? Just below the trade. So in this case, it says, as I said, first target already hit, half of the position closed, and move stop loss to break even. You see, so I'm giving like hints that, you know, what happened really and what I have done and what you could do as well, right? So it's really easy to do.
Of course, most of the signals that come through here are new signals that they can get into before the entry point is hit. So, for example, you give them, and maybe one of those other charts which shows that.
I will give you an example now with this trade, and I will go through how you can actually apply all this information and use it, right? So let's take this entry, for example. It's USD Japanese yen, daily time frame. It's sell. Let's see the chart, what it says. So as you can see, it's not, I haven't entered this trade yet, right? Because it will be with a pending order, because we need the price to go to predetermined entry point, entry level, and then we will open our sell, right? So you see, we have stop loss over here, entry level is over here. So we want price to go through this entry level, and then we will go short. We have take profit 1, take profit 2. So everything is, you know, really easy to read, right?
Yeah.
So now let's see actually how we can apply and use this information to make an entry, right? Yeah. So in order to do this, we should go to our MT4 platform. by the way, this is my Fortunatus FX trading system. That's how it works. But for this a bit later. So let me apply empty one.
So you can do this on any chart. You can just have a blank chart and you can actually...
Yeah. So you see, this is USD Japanese yen daily chart, right? Where we will make our pending orders and so on. So let's see what information we have. So it's a sell at this point, right?
Mm-hmm.
At 10.58. Let's copy this, go there. Just so you have two options to open or place a pending order. You can use this button, new order, or you can use right click somewhere, right? Sell limit. And now we will modify it as per our needs, as per the information from Trade Command Center. So price should be, we'll just paste it, right? 110.58. Then let's check. So stop loss 111.25, right? Stop loss. Copy again. It's really easy. Now it works. Okay, so I'm usually setting the second take profit target just in case if the market explodes, right? And so I could collect more profits, obviously. But you can put your first take profit target like this with line. So just let's go there and see. It was copy, right? And then we will paste it over here, and voila. So now we have pending order, sell over here, stop loss set on the proper place, take profit target 1, take profit target 2. And as soon as we have, what I'm usually doing, as soon as we have price reaching the take profit target 1, I'm usually closing half of my position, moving stop loss to break even, and leaving the rest.